Everyone keeps asking the same question: what can I actually do? How do I make a real difference? The parasites love that question because the answer is something they've spent decades making you think is boring, complicated, and pointless. The answer is simple and dangerous to them. You need to learn how the system actually works. Most of us grew up looking at politics like it was just two teams shouting at each other on TV. One side wins, one side loses, and it doesn't affect our real lives. That was one of the biggest mistakes our generation made. Because when you don't understand the machine gets used against you, and you won't even see it happening. Let's start with voting because this is where they trick most people. If you don't vote, that vote doesn't just disappear. In most systems, low turnout actually helps the organised parties. The fewer people who show up, the easier it is for a small, motivated group to push their candidates into power with a tiny percentage of the actual population. Your neutrality isn't neutral. It hands power straight to whoever is willing to play the game. But voting is the smallest part of this machine. Real power isn't who wins the election. Real power is who writes the laws before they even get to Parliament. It's the lobbyists, the donors, the civil servants who never get voted in, the regulators, the judges, the banks, and the corporations that fund both sides. I spent 6 years studying law, not because I wanted to become a lawyer. I tried that. It was so soul-destroying. I wanted to stab my own eyeballs out. I studied it because I needed to know how this trap actually functions. I needed to see the gears, the loopholes, the hidden levers they use to control everything while making it look legitimate. And what I found scared me. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed, just not for you. So here's what you actually need to start doing if you want your power back. Learn how your local council works, because they make more decisions about your daily life than most prime ministers. Attend council meetings, read the documents, understand the planning system, join or create local community groups, run for local office. Even one awake person on a council can disrupt their plans. Study the money trail, follow who donates to which parties, follow the revolving door between government and big corporations. Teach your children how this system actually works, because right now schools are deliberately keeping them ignorant. The parasites rely on you staying disengaged. They want you to think politics is boring, that it doesn't affect you, that one person can't make a difference. They're counting on your apathy. Every time you learn how a new part of the system works, you take a piece of power back from them. Every time you show up where they don't expect you, you break their illusion of total control. This isn't about left versus right. This is about understanding the machine that controls all sides.